Hi, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to English Mastery Hub. And if you're new here, I'm so happy you stopped by. Today's lesson is very special, very practical, and close to my heart because we are talking about something every English learner struggles with. Talking clearly and improving pronunciation. Maybe you know many words and grammar rules, but when you try to speak, people don't understand you. Maybe you feel shy, nervous, or even embarrassed about your accent. I know exactly how that feels. That was my situation too. When I first started learning English, I tried so many things. Repeating words from textbooks, copying native speakers, even recording myself. But when I talked to someone, I still sounded unclear, and people sometimes asked me to repeat. I felt frustrated, slow, and worried. I thought maybe clear English wasn't for me. But then one day, I realized something very important. The problem was not me. It was my practice method. Because here's the secret. You speak clearly when your ears, mouth, and brain work together. It's not about having a perfect accent. It's about practicing step by step, listening carefully, and speaking naturally. So today, I'm going to show you step-by-step techniques to improve your pronunciation, sound more natural, and speak with confidence. Take a deep breath, get comfortable, and let's start this exciting journey together. When we learn English, many of us focus on words and grammar. We study books, watch videos, and listen to lessons. This is good, but it is not enough. If your pronunciation is not clear, people may not understand you, even if your sentence is correct. This can feel very sad and frustrating. You may think, I know this word, but the listener looks confused. This happens to many English learners, and it is very normal. Clear pronunciation helps people understand you easily. When people understand you, conversations become smooth and natural. You do not need to repeat again and again. You feel relaxed, confident, and happy when you speak. But when pronunciation is weak, speaking feels hard. You may feel shy, nervous, or afraid to talk. You may stop speaking because you think your English is not good. But the truth is simple. Pronunciation just needs practice. Pronunciation is not about speaking very fast. Many learners think fast English is good English. This is not true. Clear English is better than fast English. Slow and clear speech helps people understand you more easily. It also helps you feel calm when you speak. Speaking clearly means using the right sounds and opening your mouth correctly. It also means using natural rhythm when you speak, not flat and not rushed. Your mouth, tongue, and lips are like muscles in your body. When you go to the gym, your muscles become strong with practice. The same thing happens with pronunciation. If you do not use your mouth in English, it stays weak. But when you practice every day, your mouth learns new sounds. Your tongue moves better. Your confidence grows step by step. Many learners only memorize sounds like th or r, but they do not practice speaking. Memorizing alone is not enough. You must use pronunciation while talking. Talking trains your brain and mouth together. When you talk, you learn how sounds connect. You learn how words flow in real speech. This is how pronunciation becomes natural. You do not need to be perfect. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake is a step forward. Native speakers also make mistakes. What matters is practice. Small daily practice is powerful. Even 5 minutes a day can change your English if you do it every day. Today, you will learn a simple way to practice pronunciation while speaking. This method is easy and friendly for beginners. You will not feel pressure. You will feel progress. Step by step, your pronunciation will improve, and your voice will sound clearer and more natural. Keep believing in yourself. You are learning, and that is already success. In the first step, we focus on sounds. Sounds are the base of clear English. If you cannot hear a sound clearly, it is very hard to say it clearly. English has many sounds that may be new for you. Some sounds may not exist in your native language, so your ears and mouth need time to learn them. This is normal. Do not worry. Learning new sounds is part of the journey. Before you speak well, you must listen well. Listening helps your brain understand the difference between sounds. For example, listen to simple words like cat, bat, and hat. These words sound similar, but they are not the same. Listen slowly and carefully. Try to hear the small difference. Another example is ship and sheep. One sound is short and one sound is long. Your ears must learn this difference first. When you listen, also notice your mouth. English sounds use the mouth in different ways. Some sounds need a wide mouth. Some sounds need a small mouth. Some sounds need the tongue to touch the teeth or the roof of the mouth. When you listen and repeat, feel how your mouth moves. This helps your muscles learn the sound. Do not rush. Say each sound slowly. Slow practice is strong practice. If you speak too fast, your mouth cannot learn. It is okay to stop and repeat many times. Repetition is your friend. Every time you repeat, your sound becomes clearer. A simple daily habit can help you a lot. Choose 5 easy English words every day. Listen to them carefully. Then repeat them slowly. Look at yourself in the mirror when you speak. Watch your lips and mouth. This helps you control your pronunciation. Even 2 or 3 minutes of this practice is enough. Do not feel shy when you practice alone. This is your safe space. No one is judging you. You are training your ears and mouth. With time, these sounds will feel normal. Step by step, your pronunciation will become clearer and you will feel more confident when you speak English. Now we move to full words. This step is very important because words are the bridge between sounds and real speaking. When you say words clearly, people understand you better. At this stage, do not rush. Slow speech is clear speech. Speaking slowly helps your mouth move correctly and helps your brain stay calm. Many English words are long, and this can feel scary for beginners. But long words are not difficult when you break them into small parts. For example, the word important can be said as important. Say each part slowly, then say the full word. The word comfortable can feel hard, but when you say comfortable, it becomes easier. The same is true for practice and pronunciation. Step by step, the word becomes clear. When you practice word pronunciation, focus on clarity, not speed. It is okay if your voice sounds slow at first. Clear English is better than fast English. Speed will come naturally later. Right now, your goal is to say each word cleanly and confidently. Say the word once slowly. Feel your mouth. Feel your tongue and lips move. Then say the word again in a more natural way. This helps your mouth learn both careful speech and natural speech. This balance is very helpful. Daily practice is the key. You do not need many words. 10 simple words every day are enough. Read them aloud, not silently. Speaking aloud trains your mouth. Silent reading does not help pronunciation. Use your voice, even if it feels strange at first. You can practice at home, in your room, or anywhere you feel comfortable. You can also record your voice and listen. Do not be hard on yourself. Listen to learn, not to judge. Every day of practice makes your pronunciation stronger. Slowly, words will feel easier, and speaking English will feel more natural and comfortable for you. Now we move to sentences. This step helps your English sound more natural. In real life, English is not spoken one word at a time. English has rhythm and flow. Some words are strong, and some words are soft. This is how natural English sounds. When you speak in sentences, you do not need to give the same power to every word. Important words, like verbs and main nouns, are usually strong. Small words, like to, a, is, and the, are often soft. For example, listen to this sentence. I want to improve my English. The strong words are want, improve, and English. The other words are softer. This makes the sentence sound smooth and natural. Another example is, I am practicing pronunciation every day. The strong words are practicing, pronunciation, and day. When you notice this, your speaking becomes easier. You stop pushing every word. Your voice starts to flow. At this stage, slow practice is very helpful. First, read the sentence slowly. Say every word clearly. Then read the sentence again at a normal speed. Finally, read the sentence with confidence. Do not worry about mistakes. Confidence helps your voice sound stronger and clearer. You can use simple sentences from your daily life. Talk about your work, your study, or your day. Simple sentences are best for practice. You do not need long or difficult sentences. Clear and simple is enough. Reading aloud is very important. When you read silently, your mouth does not learn. When you read aloud, your mouth, ears, and brain work together. This is how pronunciation improves. Try to practice one sentence many times. Repetition helps your mouth remember the rhythm. With daily practice, sentences will start to feel natural. Your English will sound smoother, clearer, and more confident. Keep going. You are making real progress every time you practice. Now we come to the most powerful step, talking practice. This is where real improvement happens. At this stage, you speak freely in English. You do not stop for every mistake. You do not think too much. You just speak. Mistakes are normal and very important. Every mistake helps you learn and grow. Many learners are afraid to talk because they think their English is not good. But waiting for perfect English is a big mistake. Perfect English is not needed. Clear and brave English is enough. When you talk, you train your brain and mouth together. This is how fluency and clear pronunciation grow. You can talk about simple things. Talk about your day. Talk about what you did in the morning. Talk about your plans for tomorrow. Talk about your feelings. Simple topics are the best for practice. For example, you can say, today I practiced my English pronunciation. I spoke slowly and clearly. I feel more confident now. This kind of speaking is very powerful. When you talk, focus on clarity, not speed. Slow talking is good. Clear talking is better than fast talking. Take your time. Breathe. Let the words come naturally. It is okay to pause. Pauses are part of real speaking. Talking to yourself is a great practice method. You do not need a partner. You can practice anywhere. Speak for 2 to 5 minutes every day. Even short practice is helpful if you do it daily. You can speak in your room while walking or before sleeping. Recording your voice is also very helpful. When you listen, be kind to yourself. Do not judge. Do not feel bad. Listen to learn. Notice what is clear and what needs practice. Over time, you will hear improvement. Your voice will sound stronger and clearer. This stage builds confidence. The more you talk, the more comfortable you feel. Step by step, English becomes part of you. Keep talking. Keep believing. You are improving every day. Today, we learned how to improve pronunciation by using talking practice. We learned this in 4 simple steps. First, we learned to listen to sounds carefully. Second, we practiced saying full words clearly. Third, we practiced speaking in sentences with rhythm and flow. Finally, we practiced free talking with confidence. These 4 steps work together and help you speak more clearly and naturally. Remember, good pronunciation does not come from talent. It comes from daily practice. Small practice every day is better than long practice once a week. Your accent is not a problem. It is part of who you are and part of your learning journey. Every time you speak English, you are improving, even if you make mistakes. Thank you so much for watching today's lesson on English Mastery Hub. If this lesson helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is learning English like you. Your support helps us grow and helps more learners feel confident. Keep practicing every day. Keep believing in yourself. Never be afraid to speak English. You are learning, you are growing, and you are doing great. I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep going.